Hello everyone, welcome back to part 3 of Project V.G.S, the video gaming social network for gamers. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I have scripted so far from the vector designs I created 3 to 4 days ago. So let's get on into it. So this is basically the login or the page you first go to when you type in the URL in your address bar. Now, like the original design, you'll have your top game pages to follow on your left, and your mid left you'll have your top gamers to follow, and over on your right you have your login sign up area here. Okay, so through the top game pages to follow, you'll see the quick follow link in the top right, and their followers count on the bottom left. The top gamers, you'll see the person's pick, their gamer tag, when they were last active, quick follow links, their banner, the amount of game pages they follow, and the amount of people or gamers that they're following. Now here is just a settings icon that everyone will be visible to. You can report the person, and do other various options that I haven't quite yet programmed in yet. So what I was talking about before, the login sign up area, of course you can add in your gamer tag, your password, and if you don't have an account, instead of going to another page, you click sign up, and a quick module will drop down and make visible the other text areas. You can add in your password, retype it, age, gender, and of course there will be listeners and Java put into place to detect whether the gamer tag is taken. If you're logged in, it'll detect whether it's an actual account and whatnot, and log you on in. Now, if you don't remember your email or password, I'll finish programming these. You'll just enter it here and go through the steps, all on the same page. Now, if you have an account, like my previous social networking sites, and one just goes straight to your account, you will stay on the landing page, and this will be gone, and it'll just have a module, the top trends on the right, and I'll show you guys how that look and functions later on. And yeah, it's pretty much staying true. Of course, the header is pretty much identical. There's a little bit of effects here, and I added in a gamer tag here. It'll just say gamer tag if you don't have an account. And if you click that, it just goes back to your index page. So everything's pretty much the same except for the bottom. This is just a quick search links here. Search by letter or top trends. Just find anything that corresponds with this letter. And how it looks here, I changed it up a bit. I made it float to the left so you can add another quick search terms down here. Let me show you guys how it functions. So if you were to click on the letter, it'll basically, if you look on the bottom left hand corner, you'll see it's sending to the search page, and it's sending the variable or the letter that it's corresponding to the search page, and it's just basically going to grab or get everything in the database that corresponds with that letter. Now, I know they can just type in the letter here. However, this will be slightly different. I'll go into that in later parts of the videos. So let's go ahead and see how the game page looks like. Alright, so I don't know if you guys saw that. When you first go onto any page, you'll see a quick logo effect on the top. And I'm still trying to work with that and make it spin until the page is completely loading. Alright, so this is the banner. The game page, I have a custom banner where there's the pages we create or the pages someone else creates. I believe the size of this is see what size of this is. Yeah, around 1200 by 400 pixels height. Now, when you first go onto a game page, you'll see the post that anyone has posted, and the game page is posted theirself, as in the host owner of the game page. You'll see it all here. Hashtag systems will be implemented into the post, as well as pictures and comment areas. Now, again, like the others, I haven't yet programmed the like count, the comment count, and shares and whatnot. I haven't done any of that just yet. I'll get around to it probably in the next video. Now over here is your post button. I haven't programmed that, so it doesn't do anything just yet. Now if you click on the trend bar on the right side, you'll kind of see the top trends for the games, the gamers, the discussions, and the trends. I kind of programmed this slightly so far. So you see top gamers, top discussions, top trends. Now if you were to go over here and click followers, everything pretty much stays the same. It's extremely dynamic and extremely fast loading. You'll see the top followers, or all the followers basically that follows the page. This is just kind of duplicated to show you guys how it'll look. And you'll see the discussion boards. You know, a person can start a topic, start a discussion, like how do I get past this level on the game page that they're on, and anyone can answer it. And if you're not following that person, you'll click follow. If you don't have a count all entirely, you just won't see anything here but this to report the person if you don't like what they say. And of course, anyone can just hop in a discussion that's following the game page. You have to follow the game page in order to comment back. Alright, so let me show you guys how the user page looks like. Actually, for the game page, let me see something. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Banner followed by the post. I changed this slightly. I made the unclicked links kind of a dark gray to show that it's not clicked. It's kind of really tough to make a bold with the type of font that I picked. So the page or the tab that you're viewing will be highlighted there. Alright, so let's take a look at the game page. Now, like the other game page, you'll have a banner here for the user page, and the user can add it. If this is your page, you will see an update, and a nice little hover box will appear here saying, would you like to drag and drop or upload a new banner pic? Same for your profile pic. I made it slightly different than the original design. I made the profile pic a bit bigger so people can see it a little better. I also made it aligned to the rest of the post, so it's all in coherency. It's pretty much exactly the same from the regular designs here. Regular designs that I created before. You can add in your gamer tag for your Xbox, your PlayStation, your other games. Here you can add those in the settings, or when you click update, I'll most likely add in the module here. And of course you'll see the feed count, followers, games count. I just put this here like in every other page just to show you guys how it's going to look when it's dynamically outputted for the user. Now if you click on followers, you'll see the followers here. Just again copy and paste it to show you guys how it'll look like. It'll just be the right side of the kind of table, the post here. It's just brought up a little bit. Just clear up the space here, have a little bit better design effect. And if you click on the games, like how it looks on the index page and all other pages, you'll see the banner, the game page name, quick follow links and whatnot, and it'll all be listed here. Now the quick search links will always be listed on every page you go to, along with the legal documents you will see there. I haven't yet created those pages, but I'll create it next time. Now on your bio, you can customize it, add in hashtags, add in tiny images, and little emoticons, and I'll show you guys that on the next video, maybe next 2 videos. It's a little bit of programming, but it's pretty simple. Alright, so that's basically how the followers and game pages look like. Let me show you guys how the search will look like. Now, the original search, I just originally had the gamer tag or the gamer page and the follower count. That was kind of a little bit generic to me, so I changed that up a bit. So if I type in something, hit enter, it'll send it to the search page. Now, of course, nothing's programmed yet, so I'm just showing you guys how it'll look like. Now, of course, you can always check your top discussions, top trends, top games here. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but if you hover over it, you'll see a little indication there telling you what it is. So you'll see your top gamers first, corresponding to the search result, and it'll have the number of results found for each topic that we have. Now I kind of added that in so you can add in more things like pictures and videos, so whenever they click search, they can just search anything that corresponds with the topic. Same thing that'll happen when you click on any of these quick search links. You'll see top game pages, top posts that people create. Again, this is just copy and paste it just to show you guys how to look and how it's basically just going to be laid out on the page. I don't know if I went over this. Yeah, as soon as you load onto a page, it shows a little effect, and it's supposed to be spinning until the page is finished loading. I'll show you guys that next. You kind of can't see it because the page loads extremely fast. So I believe that's all I have so far. This is around, let's say 8 or 9 hours worth of scripting. Most of it was due to this sign up bar and sign up section, sign in login section, and started programming the error handling for that. And the game page is a bit difficult, but not too difficult. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like that I deterred away from the design a tad bit? Kind of stay true to it. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this video, what you guys think of what's created so far. Give me some advice on what to add, what to update, what to take away. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And stay tuned for part 4. Alright, thank you.